I've been working here for about 4.5 years, and I love every day. Even though it's a big company, it feels like it's a family run company and everybody's got each other's backs. And probably the biggest thing I love about it is there's lots of variety. So I'm never doing the same thing. Through the skills that I've learnt with that and starting to understand the whole of WineWorks, how it all fits together, I put my hand up for the team leader role, which was not something that I thought I was capable of doing. But because of the support I've had here, all the opportunities I've had, that allowed me to think, actually, I could do that job. I've grown a lot to get to where I am, but I can see that there's lots more opportunities and I can keep growing and keep studying, and who knows where I'll go next.